In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Teams recording with ease and efficiency. Whether you're looking to revisit an important meeting or simply want to have a copy for future reference, this guide will help you secure your recordings in no time. Sit back, relax, and let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft Teams account. Once you've done that, shift your attention to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the taskbar. This is your main navigation hub. It might seem a bit overwhelming with all the options, but don't worry. We're going to focus on one key area today. You're going to want to click on OneDrive. It's seamlessly integrated into Teams, making it a perfect tool for accessing any files shared or stored during meetings. After you've clicked on OneDrive, you'll notice a menu labeled Browse Files By, which is designed to help you filter and organize your content effectively. Go ahead and click on the Media section. This area is specifically tailored for videos, recordings, and other media files, making it your go-to spot for all things related to your Teams meetings. Now, let's locate the recording you wish to download. You should see a list of media files displayed on your screen. Scroll through this list until you find the recording you're interested in. Keep an eye out for any distinctive titles or timestamps that might help in quickly pinpointing the exact file you need. Once you've identified the desired recording, position your cursor over it. As you hover, a small checkbox will become visible. This feature is designed to let you select files individually, giving you greater control over your downloads. Click on that checkbox. Don't worry, you're almost there. After selecting the checkbox, you'll notice a new window or menu that appears at the top of your screen. This is the Action menu, allowing you to execute different commands on the file you have just selected. Now, look for the option labeled Download. Once you find it, go ahead and click, and just like that, the download process will begin. Depending on the size of the recording and your internet speed, this might take a few moments, so just hang tight while it completes. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your Teams recording. Feel free to revisit it anytime or share it with others who might find this recording useful. Thank you for joining me as we navigated together through this simple process. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips and tutorials. Happy downloading, and I'll see you in the next video.